loading them up with?
Gold.
Gold? How much gold do you have?
2.
2. Very cool. And what kind of train is that?
That is a freight train.
A freight train? Right on, right on. What are you getting now?
I don't know. Daddy's.
Oh, I'm just looking at the train. Ooh, got more stuff, more cargo. Is the bridge going to collapse?
No.
No, not this time. There you go.
We're going to be scratching and die.
Oh, it made it over that time. Maybe next time I won't be so lucky.
We're going to be.
Am I going to push the button next time? Alright.
Daddy, grab the button.
Well, I'm going to wait for the train to get here.
No. Oh no!
Who's going to fix them? Who's going to fix the train? Yeah, I heard you. That guy's going to come? What's his name?
A train guy. That goes in train drive.
Oh, okay. Is he going to fix the bridge?
Ta-da!
Make sure it clicks. Yeah. Oh, is he in the train now? Very cool.
Then now we need to pass it to me.
Is the bridge going to break? Oh.
Right.
It was too fast.
Because that was last
Here it comes
station.
then. Oh, crash. You crashed right into Daddy's phone. Uh-oh. Hope no one pushed that button on the train. Oh. Oh no. We're going to have to get Kevin or somebody to grab all that gold. Are you just going to pretend you're a crane?
No.
No. Uh-oh. Where'd he go? Here comes the breakdown train.
Where's my ding ding ding?
We'll put them in later. Should we fix the train too? Bridge.
The train cars are broken.
Are they broken?
The train cars.
Oh no.
We got other train cars that didn't go.
Yeah, you're right.
They fixed.
Fixed them all up? Alright, here he comes. It's okay. Oh no!
No, I think they're stuck on it.
I think he is stuck on it. Who's gonna get him off? The breakdown train? Well, you better hook up to him. I think you might need more help than that. You might need a helping hand. Oh, okay.
He's broken.
Is he broken? Are you gonna get a new train? You're just gonna fix him.
I think I'm gonna get it. I'm using the train.
Well, he doesn't really fit, does he?
I think he does.
Okay. You think he does? Oh, he does fit. I didn't think he did.
Go one way.
Gotta turn it all around. Nope. One wheel's hanging off. You gonna go up over the crane this time? Ooh, very cool. Go that way. Oh, you're coming this way. Was he parking for the night? Is he going to sleep? Say goodnight, train. Alright, I think it's time to go to the crane now. He's gonna drive and get some, get his gold taken off, maybe. You hiding it? You hiding your gold? Yeah.
And my boxes.
Yeah. Oh no, he came off the track.
And he crashed it.
He crashed? Oh no.
And there was fire.
And there's fire? Who's gonna put the fire out?
Let me find fire truck. Have you seen fire truck?
I don't think we have a fire truck.
No, wait. There's a fire.
Did he put the fire out? Yeah. So bye-bye, fire truck. Is he gonna bring in the rescue train?
Rescue train.
Good job. Bring him in. Oh yeah, good job. That's a heavy train though, isn't it? Oh.
No.
Yeah?
He got some train cars on track.
Does he got some of them on? Alright, which one's next? The yellow one or the orange one? Very cool.
No, next
Now he's gotta get the engine. The engine's usually the heaviest.
And so big and heavy.
Is your crane super strong though?
It's a big crane.
Yeah.
Because it has big crane.
Yeah. I think your train needs to load up with cargo.
Daddy, you need big crane.
Okay. Uh-oh.
I think he's going to crash. And we need to go different way because we didn't crash. That was a close one.
That was a close one. Are you going to do the crane now? Load up. Uh-oh.
We're going to get another train people. Who hasn't video?
That's a heavy load.
I'm going to keep this so we don't crash.
Yeah?
The plane train is there as well.
Which way is he gonna go? Where's he gonna come off? We'll Daddy will help him out.
Oh
Oh no!
He crashed! He crashed! And honey, the plane train comes out.
There, fixed him. He's fixed.
Well, Quinn's a crane too, you know.
I know.
We gotta get all the way over there.
Mama, I have to stop. So we don't crash.
Okay. We have to get over here. And Big Red's gonna go that way. Big Red needs to go that way.
Oh no! You lost your train!
No, go this way.
But he's going back up, Dad.
He's gonna back up?
Let's go back.
Right on.
Go.
Press the reverse button.
Beep, 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 beep. Okay, Crane's coming down.
What are you playing, Dad?
Yeah.
Whoa. This
That
train
is
out of
so
con-
easy.
Is it old Wheezy?
Mhm.
It seems like it might be.
It might be.
I don't know. I think that's a pirate stealing all the gold. Uh-oh.
Honey, Mara.
I don't know. I'm trying to get over here.
Ollie, I heard you.
You went all the way just to stay in the same spot.
I'm trying to figure it out.
Oh, what's he got now? Green cargo.
Now this precious cargo with a mummy coffin in it.
With a mummy coffin in it. Oh
going
no.
Oh, no, like.
Has this one got zombies or?
Beep. And the pipes will go to the docks. They're at the docks.
That's the docks. Right there. And here comes Big Red coming around the back. He's
Just
coming.
stop because it was turned up because I can't turn back on.
Yeah? Is that what happened? Oh no! The bridge collapsed. Let's fix the bridge and then send him on his way. Bye, train.